Retina UK explains why genes matter. Did you know that your body is made up of trillions of tiny factories called cells? Inside each factory, there is a nucleus, the control center where your genes are stored and decisions are made about what the factory should build. Each gene provides our cells with the instructions for building a particular protein. Genes have names like RP1 and ABCA4, which usually give information about the protein they produce. Now, when we say protein, we don't mean protein shakes or bars. We mean complex 3D biological molecules that fold up in very specific ways to do very specific jobs. Proteins are the building blocks of life. They help to make you who you are, responsible for your height, hair color, and sometimes whether disease can happen or not. Variation in genes is completely normal. It's what makes us all unique. To help us to understand genes, imagine your whole genome, all of your DNA, is like a library. Each book in this library is a gene, organized on 46 shelves, known as chromosomes. Every human has 46 chromosomes, arranged in 23 pairs. You get half of your chromosomes from each parent, so you have two copies of each gene. Each chromosome holds hundreds or thousands of genes. Some chromosomes are longer and carry more genes than others, much like a longer shelf holds more books. The first 22 pairs are called autosomes, and the 23rd pair are known as the sex chromosomes, which determine your biological sex. Inside each book, or gene, the pages are made of DNA, which hold the letters that make up your genetic code. This code tells the cell how to build the protein. When a gene's instruction manual is spelled correctly, the cell can read it properly. It can build a protein that folds into the right shape and works as intended, like following a manual to assemble a perfect bookcase. But significant changes, known as mutations, can sometimes be present that make the instructions provided by the gene incorrect or unreadable, resulting in a protein that is the wrong shape and unable to do its job. Just like a faulty manual leads to a wonky bookcase, a faulty protein can lead to disease. So, what does this mean for inherited retinal disease? Scientists have already identified around 300 genes which, if mutated, can cause retinal disease. The genes discovered so far have helped researchers to better understand the conditions, even leading to the development of a gene therapy known as Luxturna. However, because there are so many genes involved and many different possible mutations, it's really hard to pin down cures that work for everyone. Retina UK will continue to fund groundbreaking research because by understanding genes and their mutations, we get closer to treatments, better support, and hope. If you want to learn more about genetics, check out the Unlock Genetics section on the Retina UK website. Alternatively, please contact a member of our team with your query. You can get in touch via email on helpline@retinauk.org.uk or by calling 0300 111 4000.